Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and whether you are a total pro or you're a noob with highlighter like I am, this Bobbi Brown highlighting powder will definitely get you the look that you're going for. I have been seeing facial highlighters everywhere on makeup tutorials, and to be honest, I was feeling really overwhelmed by all of the options out there. I am super glad that I settled on this Bobbi Brown powder in the shade Pink Glow. A technique that I have really been loving with this highlighter is to take my finger and rub it on the highlighter brick and then just dab it ever so lightly on my eyelid. I like to do this in the middle of my eyelid, close to the lash line. This little touch of highlighter really wakes up and opens up my eyes and just gives a really pretty feminine look. This highlighting powder is so subtle and fine, and it just blends in to my skin in this lovely way, and it really imitates that natural look of skin. I like to use it on the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, the sides of my forehead, and just a little smidgen down the middle of my nose. It gives this beautiful, sheer, healthy looking glow. I think this highlighter is pretty foolproof since it is so subtle and sheer, but it's totally buildable if you want to get more of a highlight too. Even though I am really late to the highlighter game, I am so glad that I started with this Bobbi Brown highlighting powder. And that's my point of view.